सो आज जो कंपनी हम लेने वाले हैं टू आवर मल्टीबैगर पोर्टफोलियो इज ट्रैक्शन टेक्नोलॉजीज. देयर इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग अबाउट दिस particular firm which we are gonna discuss going further. So to start with, what this company basically does is it provides financial data and data pertaining to different startups and firms to the acquiring firms. So suppose to give you an example, from over here in screener, I gather the information about different kind of companies, वो कैसा वर्क कर रही हैं एक पर्टिकुलर फाइनेंशियली एंड वो किस सेक्टर को केटर करती हैं एंड व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एंड कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट्स ओवर देयर. So what traction technology basically does is the same thing for big players. So if you see over here in the offerings, it provides deal diligence analysis and tracking emerging themes across industries and markets, and it is a subscription based platform. And right now the company looks really good with expansion of around 120 countries and 1000 plus customers. So this company looks really good. Apart from this, let's go directly into the data points. If you see, company is quite small. 1100 करोड़ का मार्केट कैप है एंड इसके साथ साथ स्टॉक पी 40 का है. थोड़ी सी मीडियम लेवल पे है पी, बट इट्स ओके गिवन द अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट इट हैज इन फ्यूचर. सो इफ यू लुक इट द रोज, 11% का रोज है, 68% का आरओई है, काफी अच्छा है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन थोड़ा सा कम है, बट वी विल लुक इनटू दिस गोइंग अहेड. प्रमोटर होल्डिंग कम है, बट इट इज ओके. We have seen like big firms like Infosys don't even have like promoter holding that big, so that's not even an issue. It's all it matters is like how much the management is diligent about their own company. So that's what matters the most. Pledged percentage कुछ भी नहीं है, तो this is also good thing. Going down, आप अगर इसका प्राइस एक्शन देखते हैं तो इसमें आपको काफी एक अलग सी चीज नजर आएगी. What it has is like अभी अभी रिसेंट में बहुत वॉल्यूम आया है. सो कोई ना कोई इस कंपनी को बहुत अच्छे से उठा रहा है एंड दैट पर्सन एक्चुअली नोज दैट दिस कंपनी इज गोना बी अ गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट. इट कैन बी अ मल्टी बैगर ऑनेस्टली. एक और चीज जो काफी डिफरेंट है इस कंपनी के बारे में वो है कि लाइक काफी बड़े इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक्स और प्राइवेट इक्विटी फर्म्स रिलाई ऑन दिस कंपनी. सो काफी बड़े लोगोज इसके कस्टमर्स हैं. Also 60 to 70% of business that the company does comes from abroad, so that is also a very good thing. So coming down to this price volume action, if you see recent में काफी ज्यादा volume आया है इस कंपनी में and price close to double हो गया है. If we check the P ratio, so there is one interesting thing. If you see over here, March 23 में कंपनी का PE close to 190 तक गया है. So that is very amazing thing considering the present P of 40. If we see if there is gonna be a P expansion, considering the situation of bull market that we have, this company can go easily to 3x. But having a realistic approach, 2x it can easily do. So that is a very different kind of a thing that we figured out while reading this company. So this is a company to must have on your radar and in your portfolio as well going forward. So yeah, if we come to the pros of this company, the company is almost debt free. कंपनी पे कोई भी लोन नहीं है अभी. 24% CAGR का ग्रोथ है. ये काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है बिकॉज कंपनी ने अपनी फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग स्टेटमेंट्स में कुछ चीजें बताई हैं इन इट्स एनुअल रिपोर्ट दैट वी विल डिस्कस फर्दर. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, तीन चीजें यहाँ पे कॉन्स में है. प्रमोटर होल्डिंग इज लो, दैट इज ओके. Other income is 8.15. This is a concern, but why we can subside this for now, we will discuss. Coming down to the क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट, सो इफ यू सी, कंपनी 14 करोड़ का धंधा करती थी, फिर 19 का, फिर आज अबव 20 करोड़ का ऑन एवरेज धंधा कर रही है. ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन स्टैग्नेंट रहा है. कंपनी रिसेंटली थोड़ा पॉजिटिवली बिहेव कर रही है बिकॉज ऑफ द starting cost it goes into IT. So as they have mentioned in their con call as well, that they are currently working on building the infrastructure first. So the cost is high, but going forward, once the infrastructure is automated, they are going to reduce this cost eventually. So yeah, that's a good point. That's why we have picked this company up. So if you see प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट ईयर ऑन ईयर बेसिस पे 2018 में 28 करोड़ का कंपनी धंधा करती थी, 2023 में 78 करोड़ का धंधा करती है. तो दिस इज समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. कंपनी ने ऑलमोस्ट 5 साल में अपना टॉप लाइन 3 टाइम्स कर लिया है. एंड सेम गोज फॉर द पेट. बट what we have seen over here is that यहाँ पर other income का part है. That that is something that can be subsided as of now because what we have seen in the con call is that they have mentioned a 30% CAGR growth year on year. So if we look into that, if the company is gonna grow with 30%, so it is very easy that they will come into net profit eventually. So this is a good thing, and that's why we have taken this company, because we feel this can be a future multi-bagger with this kind of superior growth as compared to its peers. जो एक कंपनी में बात नोटिस करने लायक है वो ये है कि वी आर हैविंग good investors that are backing this company. So if you look into the shareholding pattern of this company, so we have got Sir Ratan Tata and the Flipkart owners who are backing this up, and the directors and CEO, which are the like board members over there, are also quite well educated. If you look into them, they are all graduated from IITs and IIMs, so that is a good thing. So I feel from that perspective, the company is in safe hands, and whatever the decisions are being made can go to make this company much better player in future. So going forward, equity capital and reserves, it's good. 54 crores का reserve है कंपनी के पास. लोन जैसा दिखा था, it's almost nil. Apart from this, yeah, company ने कई बार positive cash flows दिए, but that is very negligible as compared to the P&L statements. Considering the ratios, it also seems to be fine. रोज double digit का है, recently हुआ है, so that's why आप जितना यहाँ पर वॉल्यूम देख रहे हैं, जितना ज्यादा इसमें रन दिया है कंपनी ने, वी ऑल्सो थिंक दैट इज इट स्टिल एट दिस लेवल, इट इज अ वेरी गुड बाय opportunity. If you look into this, we have this is just a disclaimer that we have this company around this level only, so we are looking to accumulate more on this. But the thing is that we do see a minimum 2x upside from this level. एक इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट जो हमने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था वीडियो के, इज दैट दिस फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर, दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर ऑफ रीडिंग, having and managing financial data has a TAM, that is total addressable market, of $30 billion, which they have stated in their annual call as well. So that is a very interesting thing to notice, because if इसका TAM $30 billion का है and the company is just doing a top line of around 100 crores, so it has a big headroom and a much bigger upside potential. So that's why we have recommended this company to our viewers. I think that this is gonna be a very good candidate for being a future multi-bagger. So yeah, apart from this, all the stats we will keep covering in our upcoming videos. एक और important fact जो कि मिस हो गया है, that is ये कंपनी में कोई डाइवर्सिफाइड पोर्टफोलियो है, लाइक द कस्टमर्स आर वेरी डाइवर्सिफाइड. नो सिंगल कस्टमर इज like considering the business that it does from different customers, no single customer is contributing more than 1.5 and 2%. So that's a very interesting thing that we figured out in this company. So this is the what it gives a, like, it's a moat for this company, that even if any customer goes out of their business, that is gonna remain unaffected, and forward looking statement कंपनी ने यही दिया है कि they are gonna acquire much more customers and much more business from the existing customers as well. So I think this can be a very good bet if you want to buy this company, and if you feel this to be a good candidate to have in your portfolio. You can start accumulated in this zone only, and once it crosses 120, you can put the 20 or 30% of your money into it as well. Again, it's just a disclaimer that we are not recommending this one, but do your own due diligence before buying any of the small caps, because they are very highly risky, but at the same time, the more the risk is, the reward is. So yeah, that's it from our side today. Thanks a lot. Keep watching.